natural gas. And on the 1 hour chart, we are in slightly negative MACD, but approaching back to positive MACD as we're seeing increase in the green MACD bars. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we are in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As for our temporary resistance, that already have the 18 moving average, this purple line, and that is currently at a price of $6.92. And as with the daily chart, we are dipping into negative MACD territory and approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. And as for support, that already have the 100-day moving average, this orange line, and that is at a price of $6.38. And as for resistance, we have yet to close above the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that is at a price of $7.87. If we're to test that level, the price movement to the upside is around 12.6%, and to test support, that is around 7.8% to the downside. And thank you for watching.